Okay, our next example is the following. So given the sequence, we're going to use the same one as before, 31, 23, 15, 7, etc. We can say, is the value minus 200 in the sequence? Now, there are two ways to answer that question. One is to fill in all the values and see whether or not we get minus 200. So we can do the next term here, then the one after that, then the one after that. So it seems a lot of work to do that, particularly if the question was if it was minus 2000, right? So that would be an awful lot of terms. Instead, we're going to use the formula for the nth term. So our nth term, remember, was minus 8n plus 39. That's what we got from our previous answer up here. So we want to work out is there a value of n such that the term gives you 200? So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to say, if I try and work this out, what value of n do I get? Well, here we go. How do I solve that? Well, I can subtract 39 from both sides. So this is minus 200 minus another 39 is minus 239. And then I can divide both sides by minus 8. So I get minus 239 divided by minus 8. Now, if I try and work that out, so does 8 go into 239? Well, 8 into 23 goes 2. 2 8s is 16. 7 left over. Does 8 go into 79? No, it doesn't. It goes 9 times 9. 9 8s is 72. So it's point something. But n, we know n is a counter. Remember, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can't be a decimal number. So we can say since n is not an integer, or you could write whole number if you wanted to. Proper name for that is an integer. Then minus 200 is not a term in the sequence. Okay? If it turned out that n was a whole number, in other words, 8 divided exactly into 239, then n would be a whole number, and therefore minus 200 would have been in the sequence.